Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever spent time building a website in Wix Studio and wished you could easily show your work in progress to a colleague or friend for feedback, you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a super straightforward method for sharing your website preview on Wix. By the end of this quick guide, you'll know how to create a special link to your test site that others can view even before your site goes live. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your project in Wix Studio. Once you're inside your editor, you'll see a toolbar at the top. Look for the Preview button. This is your window into what your website is going to look like to visitors later on. Go ahead and click on Preview. This isn't just for you to admire your hard work, it's also for testing and sharing, which we're about to do. Now here's an important step that can easily be missed if you're moving too quickly. In the Preview mode, notice the drop-down menu near the top. It might say something like Preview as or Preview Options. What you want to do is select Preview as Test Site. This option basically tells Wix that you want to see your site as it would appear on a temporary public link, rather than just in your editing environment. Think of this as opening a little window for someone else to peek through, without them seeing all your behind-the-scenes settings or editing tools. Selecting Test Site is crucial because it's what generates a shareable link for you. Once you've chosen Preview as Test Site, Wix automatically loads your site in that test mode. Take a quick moment here to make sure you're happy with what's showing. Maybe click around a bit and see that all your content and design look the way you intend. Sometimes a quick double check can save you from sharing something half-finished. Alright, with your test site visible, you're ready for the easiest step of all. Simply copy the URL from your browser's address bar. This link is special. It points directly to your test preview, not your live site. So when someone receives it, they'll be able to browse just like a visitor, but without being able to make edits or changes, and without seeing any draft content that you haven't published yet. At this point, you're all set to share. You can paste the link into an email, a chat message, or even a project management tool, whatever works best for you and your team. For example, if you're working with a client and want their input on your design before launch, sending this preview link allows them to experience the website as a guest and provide specific feedback without any risk to your actual work. Or maybe you're collaborating with a friend and want a second pair of eyes on your layout or text. Just send them the link and you're done. Now, just a quick note, if your colleague opens the link and sees something odd, double-check that you shared the test site URL and not a regular preview. Sometimes having multiple tabs open can cause confusion. Don't worry if this part takes a moment, especially the first time. Once you've done it once or twice, it becomes second nature, and that's all there is to it. In just a few quick steps, you can share a secure, interactive preview of your Wix website, making collaboration and feedback a breeze, even before your site goes live. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit the like button below, and if you have any questions or ran into any snags along the way, just drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more web tips and tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching and happy building.